So guys, welcome to my channel. How to download motherboard Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to Gigabyte. This is official website gigabyte.com. Come on this first. Then this is search button and click to search. Then enter your model number of motherboard 6 A620MH. Then hit enter. Then click to product. See, this is A620MH. Then click to support. So first select your operating system. If you are using Windows 10 any, both installation process same. LAN driver, Realtek LAN, and just click to download. Just start downloading. Just one click to open and double click after download and click to yes. Now this is extracting. Then close.